Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video I'll be talking about if you should invest in cryptocurrency. Going through the positives and the negatives, and also I'll be going through some criteria you should meet. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video, why you should not invest into crypto. The first reason why you should not invest is because it is not guaranteed. You could lose all your money, and it's based on speculation, not fundamentals. Say you put $1,000 into Bitcoin in 2017, then in 2018 you sold right around here, you would lose 76% of your money. It means your investment would probably be around $240 around that time. I don't know much about Bitcoin, but I know it's based on speculation rather than fundamentals. For example, compared to stocks, you invest for the fundamentals. For example, when you invest in a stock like Facebook, you invest in the fundamentals, but with Bitcoin, it's based on speculation. It's based on the fact that people think Bitcoin is the future, that this is the digital currency of the future. There's limited Bitcoin, so that's why people think it's going to go up to even $1 million in 20 years. This means you could lose all your money compared to stocks. Next reason why you should not invest in this is because it's very volatile. Basically what volatile means is that this could go up really fast or go down very fast. So in 2017 it went from 21k to then it lost 75%, so it went down very fast. In 2019 it went down another 30%. This is a very volatile asset. Don't invest money more than you can afford, because this could go straight down. Don't invest in crypto if you can't hold it for more than 10 years. Let's say you invested in Bitcoin in 2015. It went up here, and then went down. It went down in 2018, and you sold, went up 200% from that time. So that's why we're going to hold for at least 10 years. Last reason why you shouldn't invest is because your crypto could get hacked and you could lose everything. When you buy crypto, you have to store it into a wallet. This means is every time you buy crypto, you store it into like a digital wallet, but then this wallet can be hacked. This digital currency exchange could release your information to these hackers. Then they'll steal your money. So the solution would be to get a hardware wallet. These wallets store your cryptocurrency. So the only way hackers get your money is by getting your wallet and your passcode to their wallet. So it's very secure. Why you should invest into crypto? For example, let's say you invest in real estate, you invest in the stock market, you invest in crypto. Let's say real estate and the stock market crashed. You won't lose your money because you still have crypto to boost your investments. That's why diversification is key. The second reason you should invest is because it's a high risk / high reward investment. Let's say you bought Bitcoin in 2017, you would have lost 81% of your money in 2019 if you sold. But if you held it to 2020, you would have doubled your money. We never know where Bitcoin is going to be in the next 5 or 10 years. The last reason is that it's easily accessible, unlike stock investing. Stocks, you have to go through a verification process, such as identifying your citizenship. To purchase crypto, you just need a bank account. So I'm going to go through some criteria that you should meet to invest in crypto. So the first one is that you should have an emergency fund, because we never know if there's going to be another pandemic. The next one is having at least 15% of your income invested in the stock market. The next one is having no debt. I would not invest more than 10% of my income into crypto. So those were some positives and negatives to crypto. Your financial decision is up to you. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy investing.